Hello traders, today I will show you my personal Quotex OTC moving average strategy. If you use this strategy properly, you can recover your all losses. For better understand, don't skip the video and watch till end. So let's start the video. First let's add some pairs. If you want to learn more about binary trading, like, subscribe our channel, and thumb the bell icon. And also if you have any question, connect with us on free Telegram channel. Link in description. In Telegram channel we give free live signal every day. For copy my trade and strategy, connect with us on Telegram. Next, our expiration time will be fixed 1 minute time frame, and candlestick time will be 10 seconds. Okay, now let's set up the indicator. Let's click on the indicator icon and search moving average and set up. Period level will be 7 and moving average will be EMA. Now let's add another indicator. Stochastic oscillator. Let's set up. K period will be 7. And moving average will be EMA. Now let's add last indicator, D marker. D marker period level will be also 7. Now let's explain how this strategy works. Here we see 10-second 2 candle cross the moving average upside. Stochastic oscillator and D marker will be uptrend. And here we see next 1 minute will upward direction. Now let's see downside strategy. Also here we see this 2 candle cross the moving average in downside. And also stochastic oscillator or D marker will be downtrend. And here we see next 1 minute will be upside. Okay, now let's take some live trade. Wait for best opportunity. We place here a 1 minute trade for down direction. Let's wait for results. Okay, our trade will be a successful winning trade. Let's take another one trade. Replace your dollar trade. Let's wait for results. Here we again win second trade. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel.